Hello there, welcome back. So yeah, this 2009 Audi A4. So I'm gonna show you how to remove your motor oil filter. So it's located right below on the on the driver side. So if you look clearly where I pointed my finger, that's it right there, that black piece. So that's the filter. That's it right there, guys. So I'm going to go underneath and show you. But first let me show you the tool I'm going to use. So this is the 36 socket I'm going to use to remove the filter with an extension and a ratchet handle. I'm going to need an oil pan to catch the oil. So the filter is right there, as you can see it leaking. So I'm going to put the tool on it to remove it. Alright, so after you put the tool on it, you're going to push the angle to the back of the car to get it loose, just like this, guys. Alright, so I'm going to get it loose. I'm going to reach with my hand, see if I can get it off. So it's right here, so let me see if I can get it through here. Oh, there. See if I can reach it from the top. Alright, so this is it right here, guys. So this is what it looks like. So this is the filter. Alright guys, so if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.